Good afternoon. It's not really afternoon, but it might as well be. It's 11:30. I made the potato soup. I got like 3 of these. Well, had 3 of these. Russ ate one of these yesterday. He's like, it's so good. I don't think he ate all day until he got home. But here's what I want to do. Hold on one second. All right, so what I want to do with some of this soup, just for my lunch anyways, is I'm going to take some of this, pop it in a pan with egg, and I'm going to make a breakfast soup. Except it won't be soup. It'll just be breakfast with the potatoes. Anyways, I have my pan here. It's got some oil in it. I'm just going to heat that up. I did not clean the cheese out of this pan, so I gotta do some crunchy. There we go. Right then. This shirt, while is funny, it's white. I can't wear white because it get it dirty too quick. Oh, speaking of, I gotta make a trip down the basement real quick. Just a sec. It's a good thing I went downstairs. Our deep freezer is not freezing. It defrosted. We have 7 steaks in there. Holy, I don't know. My sock is wet now. I don't know when it decided to defrost. But it's not on. Like, it's on, but it's not running. That's the word. So I have to check on all of these and see if they're any good. This one. Not good. They smell rotten. It's not good. Next. Bad. This is terrible. It's gonna make Russ real mad, but I don't know what happened to our freezer. Oh boy. Yeah, I don't know when these defrosted. They're all the way defrosted, so I think they've been in there a few days defrosted, which I'm pretty sure means all of them are bad. How did he? Oh yeah, bad. All of these are like this strange brown color. Well, this one looks alright. I think they're all bad. Ew. This one looks alright. They smell terrible. It should smell like iron or blood. Is what a fresh cut of meat smells like. But these, oh, you see how it's like this grayish? That's not ripe. Oh, it's ripe. It's overripe. That's what it is. Not good. They should smell like blood or iron. And they should be red in color or pink. Not these colors. These are all gone. 7 steaks. 7 steaks. I'm going to wrap these up. And I'll throw them on outside. I need to buy the metal washcloth things. Because I think it'll help in scrubbing off any gunk that I have on my stovetop and also the bottom of my pans. Bottom of my pans. Pans, not pants, pans. So I think this will be yummy. Oh, I gotta replace the garbage bag. Can you hear me at all with the fan on? I don't even know. Doesn't matter. Alright, replacing the garbage bag. Check. Replaced. Done. All right, so I'm gonna finish doing this, and then I've got 10 minutes to eat my food. So I'll still be eating it probably within the next, whenever my next break is, 2:30. Okay, bye. The way my voice is when I'm congested a bit, I feel like a telemarketer. No, that automated thing. Just listen to me talk here for a sec. Thank you for calling customer service. My name is Jenny. May I have your name, please? Well, how can I help you today? Okay, well, let me take a look at that and see what happened. Do you have your policy number? Thank you, ma'am. What's your date of birth? And your address? Okay, so no more premiums will be taken. And then we will get a letter to you to fill out. It's a surrender form. Once we return that back, then we'll get the policy completely surrendered. Doing this, what I'm doing right now, will remove you from the auto pay, so no more premiums will be taken. Unfortunately, there's no record of your call. Right, understood. Unfortunately, whoever you spoke to, there's no record of your call. Okay, and would you like that form mailed, faxed, or emailed? All right, we'll get that right to you. Anything else I might be able to help with? You're welcome. Have a good day. Ready? Me. We listen and we don't judge. I'm fully aware. All right, kitty, let's go. Okay. Hey, I was just thinking. Russ has off till Thursday. Ow. And I gotta go into work tomorrow. And tomorrow morning, Russ has, or Miss Purdy has her appointment. Ah, son of a bitch. Hold on. So I was thinking that Russ can drop Miss Purdy off, because I'll have to leave before 8. I work at 8:30. Look at this cat. Yeah. You were so thirsty. Hungry, I mean. You're so hungry. Alright. Okay, let me prepare your food. Oh, look how dirty my... Ew. Again, this is why I don't wear white shirts out in public. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I did that. Alright. We have... Excuse me. What is that? Beef dinner. You get beef dinner. Yeah, I know it. Beef dinner. Now this beef dinner is not like, look, it's kind of like goopy. It's very goopy. It's not, Miss Pretty, I swear. You're not starved. You think you are, don't you? It's like chunks. It doesn't stay in a form like the fancy feast. Okay. I gotta get your meds on here too. She gonna keep meowing? I know. Meow. Just listen to the cat. Oops. There you go. Alright then. Okay. You ready? Okay. Here's your food. Alright. Yes. Num 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 num. She eats the whole thing. I'm glad she doesn't avoid it because of her medicine. Her medicine smelled, like I said before, smells like old milk. But, you know, maybe it just tastes really good. I have no idea. Regardless, she's eating it. She's getting her meds, getting her food. And that's great. Alright, well, anyways, we'll figure out this cat thing. When we go into the office, I gotta start at 8:30. I don't want to be late. So, that's it. We'll talk to you later. Goodbye. I need beef stock, or like I have bouillon, beef bouillon, but you can boil some water and make some out of that, I suppose. Hold on one second. Because it's soup season. Ooh, I want to make more soups and stuff. They last longer and they're just easier for me, for Russ, for just in life. He took a shower. The bathtub needs to be declogged. I gotta pee. One moment. Anyways, tomorrow, take Russ, or Matt, nope, Kitty. Take the kitty to the vet. They open at 8. Russ gonna drive there also. And, oh, the cat litter's full. Okay. Oh boy. Anyway, pick the cat up after work, and she'll be all groggy more than likely. Who is stealing my pillow? And then, you know, she'll be better anyways. Alright. I'm tired. Tomorrow's Tuesday. It'll be time for tacos. So I hope you have a good night. Get your taco stuff. Make some tacos. Good tacos. Tired, okay? Have a good night. Toodles.
Hey, that's something everyone can enjoy.